How to create a Facebook ad. Placing an ad on Facebook has many advantages. There are over 1 billion members, and the great majority of them have listed what they like and are interested in on their Facebook page. When creating a Facebook ad, you can laser target that select group of people who have indicated interest in your product or service, and only these people will see your ads. This way you can avoid the looky-loos and time wasters. If you do not have a Facebook account, you need to get one in order to take advantage of this marketing giant. Just go to www.facebook.com and sign up. So let's begin. First, go to your Facebook page, click on the Facebook logo on the top, then scroll down to Ads Manager. And here's Ads Manager here. So we click on that. Once you're at the site, you simply go to Tools in the toolbar here, click on it, and click on Audience Insights. Once you're here, what you want to do is select the audience that's best going to buy your product, the people who will be interested in what you're interested in selling. So let's go to everyone on Facebook, because you don't have a list yet, and start looking at the demographics. Well, number one, I'm from the United States, so I'm selling in the United States, so I typed in United States here. Now, as for interests, what I'm selling is a business thing. So I'm going to scroll down to entrepreneurship and click on that. Then I'm going to look at the audience here. 59% of men. The majority of them are 25 to 34. So since I have such a large audience, and the best thing to do is get it down to around 500,000 if at all possible, I'm going to eradicate the people who would make this too big. So I'm going to go with just the biggest list, which is men between the ages of 25 and 34. So we switch this to 25 and this to 34. A little bit more. Here we go. Now we pick this for men only. That lowers our group to 2.5 mil. Engineering. Advanced, pick language. So I'll put in here is English and all. Okay, so let's look at what we have here under demographics. It's 100% men between the ages of 25 and 34. What they're into, career building. Career building is made up of young childless singles. They're a mix of mobile renters and first-time homeowners. Shooting stars. These are home-owning individuals. Metro mix. Dynamic duos. Full steaming. Skyboxes and Suburbans. Established elite. Okay, these people seem to have money. Let's keep on looking at it. Single, 46%. College, 69%. Good amount of people. What are their jobs? IT and technical, which is good. Architecture and engineering, computer and mathematics, production, all good. All right, so we're on our way, at least for my product, okay? Now we'll go to page likes to see what they're into. Okay, Business Investopedia, that definitely works for me. Just the stuff here, there's really no comment to make. These are all good for what I'm selling. All good again. Entrepreneur, magazine, Business Insider, all this kind of stuff, all good for me. Okay, so the next one we're going to go to is location. Where I want to, well, see, Boston, Massachusetts is good. Let's see all. See if we get New York and New York and LA. Chicago, yeah. San Francisco, yeah. New York, yes. Los Angeles, yes. All good. All right, so we got it. We got the right amount of people located. Activity. Let's look at ads clicked. 32% more than the average person on Facebook. The select audience, 32%. People on Facebook is only 11. So that's a really good deal here. Device users. This is important. Desktop only. Very small percent. Desktop and mobile. That's your main group right there. Desktop and mobile. Computer, also good. iPhone, also good. iPad, tablets, I'm sure that's also BlackBerry will nobody get rid of that. Mobile web, feature phone, etc., all good. This is all positive stuff for your possible ad. Household, we'll have a look here. The average is making between $60,000 to $75,000 a year, all good. Household size, home market value, spending methods. Let's see. Any card, 94%. So these people are buyers. That tells us a lot. The people I'm looking to see my ad are people who actually have money and are spending money to buy things. So let's have a look at their purchasing things. All right, let's kill this. It's in the way. Retail spending. Our people spend even more than the average Facebook person. Online purchases, medium, good. Selected audience, subscription services, business purchases, small. That might be a concern, but then again, what I'm selling is also considered a subscription service, so that might be good for them anyway. Okay. All right, so we've checked it all. Now it's time to create our ad. So we go up here to create ad. Use create tool because Power Editor is a bit complex and we're just starting off, so let's keep it simple. Okay, so the first thing you have to do when you're starting out on these things, you want to look at increased conversions to your website and that kind of thing, but you really haven't sent people to your website to see what they're looking at yet. So you want to go here first, send people to your website. Click on that. And then you click to what page in your website you want people to go to. Usually this is your landing page. The page that has, hi people, I'm Bob, I'm selling this. If you'd like to know more, put in your name and your email address and click on the download. Well, I'm promoting a product for video ads, and that's this one here, which I think is very good. I don't need the pixel, it's already set up. So now we set audience and budget. Okay, so right now I have a pretty good audience definition, okay? It's right in the middle point, which is good. It's not too broad, it's not too specific. So look at all the things I have here. Male, language, English. Potential reach 2.5 million people. I'd like to make that a little less, but we'll have to see what we have to work with. Okay. Include people who match at least one of the following. Suggestions. Browse. Interests. Business and industry. I'm into online. So I'll go here. Select online. Display advertising. Well, that does make my thing even bigger. Let's look at online now. It's at 58. Nah. Social media. Let's see if we can find something that isn't, again, too big. These are all too big. Marketing. Oh, good heavens. That's really high. Man, again, really, really high. I'm just going to put in here video ads. Okay. Daily budget. You can bring this down to as little as $5, but I like to go with 10 just to see how well it converts. And schedule. Now this is important to have a stop date because they'll run it until use every dime you have. So set a start and end date. You click on this, and I usually put it a day in advance. So today is the 7th. I'm going to make it. Want to see this little slick trick they got here? You don't notice that this is a whole month. So you get right in here, and you click on the back button. And you go to tomorrow. So today's the 7th, tomorrow's the 8th. So click on that, January 8th. Then you fix this here because it's set less than 24 hours. So I'll just change this to PM and change this part to 11:55. So it's just about the end of the next day. You'll spend up to $15.83 total, which is fine. I can afford $15 on an ad, okay? Now, so far so good. Now we move on. And this is the estimated daily reach is between 4,000 and 11,000 people on Facebook. So that's pretty good. I'll probably run through my money pretty quick, but at least I'll get to see how many people are interested. Now I want a single image or video for my ad. So I'll click on this. Now you can have multiple images that tell a story or series, but I'm not really interested in that just yet. And it's a little bit complex and you don't want to get involved in that yet. Okay, let's kill this. Browse library. Done. See, I've already run this ad before. Now, if you have never run an ad, the best place to get an image is simply go to google.com/images and select one and just download it. What you do is you right-click, you go down to Save Image As, and you save it, and it shows up here, okay? So I have this one, so I'm just going to click on this, and it's already preset to be at the right size. So what text and links do you want to use? Well, I already have my Facebook page, my business Facebook page is Ari Communications, so I use that. Now, I use desktop newsfeed, Ari Communications, Content Samurai PSA Special, the best way to create incredible videos, crank out insanely. I'm going to change the text here. See, this is what they write from having the product itself. So I'm going to remove most of this. And Content Samurai, they don't need to. This software is the fastest way. Incredible video software. Software. That's nice. What is this? Why does this have a thing here? Okay. I'll just kill it creating. Alright. Incredible. See, what you write here shows up here. I'll just kill this part. The fastest way to create incredible videos. Now, we have to add something to make it sound even better. So the fastest way to create incredible videos sounds good, but I want to add a little bit more meat to it, you know? All right, click button to watch a free demo. Nothing wrong with that. There we go. Okay, button, we're going to put down learn more. So now the button says learn more, so people just click on it, they go right to the link that we put on the previous thing. They watch the video, they buy the product, bang, boom, we're all happy again. Now, okay, it's the recommended image size, image ratio is good. Okay. Now you want to get rid of stuff that's not going to help you. So you get rid of audience network, remove. Okay, desktop right column, remove. You only want to see the mobile news feed and desktop news feed. So place order, click there, one error. Remove Instagram as a placement there. Okay, that's removed. Now place order. Processing your order. Your order has been placed. Continue. And that's it, folks. Your ad is approved. Your new ad will start running. You'll see the results here. And that's what you do. That's all there is to it. So now you know how to set up a Facebook ad. Give it a shot. Now what you're going to need to do is you're going to have to split test these ads, meaning you'll see how well this ad does, then you'll create a second ad and see how well that one does, and you create a third, and you start using the one that has the best results. Like for example, I picked out the ages between 25 and 34. It's possible that might not convert as well as say 34 to 44. So I'll try that as well, and then I'll stay with the one that converts the best. So that's it. Good luck, and I'll see you on the next video.